Okay, that's just recording.
No, we don't have testes. The thymus.
Where's the? No, I'm gonna look for
Pancreas.
the.
Look for the pancreas.
Well, we found the pancreas. It
It's
was.
under the stomach, right?
Oh, jeez. I don't even remember. Was it on this?
Yeah, it was under something. I remember.
It's on this.
Yeah, it should be on the
I forgot
on
where
that
it
side.
is.
She said no. I think she said
Let's put on the.
I think this is the pancreas. It's that one that doesn't
That
look
leafy
like.
yeah,
looking
yeah,
thing, yeah, that's the pancreas.
Yeah, that's the pancreas right there.
We
Okay.
also need
And then the adrenal gland.
The
Ew.
adrenal
What is that?
I think it's on the
sitting
kidney,
on top
right?
of the kidney, on top of
said
the
it
kidney.
feels like a cyst. So
It
feel
sits
around
right
there.
on top of the kidney,
Is it above?
Yeah,
right
yeah,
on the
yeah.
kidney
Is this
itself.
it?
tonight, bro.
No,
It's like right next to it.
Not
should be
next to it,
the
it's
kidney.
sitting
Okay,
right
but
on
look.
top of
I
it.
don't know. Apparently, the DeFi coaches
That's
don't
how
give a
it
shit
goes.
because no one wants to do anything. So
We're recording, Alex.
You found
I
it?
think that's it.
yeah, just
Where's
like,
the
oh, we
adrenaline?
can do 10 if you want. Like,
Yeah,
like
I
they
don't
don't give a shit. They want us to
I
coordinate
think this
everything.
is
So that's why I'm calling you.
Unless
it should be
that's
top
just,
of it, right?
no,
It should be sitting right on top.
Well, I don't get out of class
No,
for another
that's
40
in the
minutes here,
human.
baby. So
Huh?
that's only in the human.
It's different
no,
for the
I
cat?
get out of class
Yeah.
like at 7:45 in Davy, and then I'll be home by like
This is the
8:15.
thymus and the thyroid.
I think this is it.
Yeah,
Unless
I'm
that's
in Davy
facts.
campus right now too, and I'm not in physiology class.
Your thing is touching the cat. Here, right here. What's it?
Yeah, they like you. I don't know. You figure it out. They're like telling me to.
Oh,
You're not
you're
good.
gonna do it like that?
Text me what you want to do, and I'll help you out.
Let's go do it.
I don't know where it is.
That's why I ran away. Long time ago. Are we dissecting an ovary
Are
too?
you serious?
I don't know.
Valerie, you heard what she said?
This is it. Looks like it. It's like a leaf thing, yeah.
I messed up.
Yeah, this is a picture of it. It's like a leaf shape.
This is
It's
what?
up here.
Pancreas.
I
can't wait to
Yeah,
So, what's the other one again?
The uterine body.
No.
The uterine body. So the uterine body is further down, right?
The adrenal glands.
Did you find it?
I don't know.
Is
Here, let me show you this while you're here. This is what the ovary should look like.
Ew.
No.
Let me look.
Oh wow.
I think I lost it. I think it was just that.
Okay.
Where would it be though?
It would be like up under here.
Oh, definitely didn't find it.
So it's different in the cat.
Yeah, it's a little different. So the best way to find it is just to feel.
So that's not something that's going to be like pointed out on the practical.
It might be, but if it to find it, you kind of have to just dig around for it. Let's look on the other side. It's right here. We could, let's dig it out. Do you see that little press right there?
Can you move your finger though?
Yeah, don't use the needle to press it. Just use your.
Oh yeah.
I was going to
Do you feel the little thing? So that's where it is.
Can you dig that out?
Yeah. Are you looking for the? That is the
Here, you want this?
adrenal gland.
No, I got it.
I see.
Can it come out anymore?
I think that's probably about it. So if you were given this, like on a practical, can I have that little blunt thing? Thanks. It would probably be more like something would be holding it up, you know, then we would ask you what that was. And I think I would make this a little more visible so you knew that the kidney was there.
And that's the adrenal.
Okay. So it might be like this, so you could see it.
Would we have to recognize anything on this?
The only thing that's obvious enough to recognize really is this ruptured follicle or a follicle that's about to rupture.
That's
And then you would
upsetting.
know that this, like the yellowish, is the corpus luteum. But most likely it's going to be something more along the lines of, I'm going to ask you a question, and in order to answer the question, you're going to have to know that this is an ovary.
Okay.
I could also, though, I could ask you what this is.
Fallopian tube?
But I think that, unless I get real creative, I think
You
that's
have
about
to
all I can ask.
ligament something?
What's that?
Ligament?
And what about this?
Yeah,
That's a
we could, but yeah, probably not. This, so this is the REIT testes here, and this is what? No. This out here is the different lobes, but they're the seminiferous tubules make up this area. So you'll need to know, if I point here, that this is composed of seminiferous tubules. This is the REIT testes. I would also know, I could ask you the tissue layers.
The vaginalis.
Yep. And the albuginea. Yeah.
Where's the tunica albuginea? Is it?
That's
like-
the inside,
I mean,
right?
This
Yeah.
tiny little
The
thing,
inner
that's
lining.
the testes.
The inner lining is the albuginea, the outer
This
lining
is what
vaginalis.
concentrates the testes. The REIT testes.
Oh.
So it's not really that clear on these guys. But I could also do the same thing where I asked you a question and you had to know that this was a testicle in order to answer. So I might ask you, what is the endocrine function of this specimen?
Oh, okay.
Okay, things like that. Yeah.
And the thyroid.
I think that I think it may be destroyed. It's like on the sides here. It looks like maybe. Good.
Would that be the thyroid on top? Right
Yeah.
here?
The thyroid.
Right on top.
It's just on the sides here. So remember when we learned about the different cartilage here?
Right.
So it just flanks that on the side.
Is it there? I don't know.
Like the thymus?
Because I
I
think
don't know if
this
it's
is
easy to
on
feel
Maybe.
that.
I don't know. Yeah, this might be it.
Wait, what are you pointing at?
Just trying to find the thymus.
This here on the side.
The thymus?
Wait, this
But I would just
thymus
know
is thyroid, right?
I'm sorry, the thyroid. The thymus is here. So this is really like you should know the function of it more than anything.
Where is the
But
thymus?
the thyroid, wouldn't it
Thymus
sit
is
right
down
on
here.
top of the right, guys?
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna find a thymus in any of them because we pulled off all of the covering. You know, the around the heart, and then the thyroid will be up here. Then you know that the parathyroid sits on the thyroid, and then you know how to find the adrenal cortex now, right?
And we looked at the pancreas, right?
Yep. We can look at that again.
Leafy, right?
Yeah. So when I ask you this, I would probably.
So what's that on top of it then? Oh, that's part of the small
This?
intestine.
So here I would ask you like this. I would like flip this backwards so you could see it from here.
What is that?
What is that?
It's a pancreas.
It's that one?
Yeah.
So what's that thing over there?
It's that.
I don't know. Mesentery or something.
Sorry, guys. I showed you that one.
So it's right here. But you know that it's right underneath.
Pancreas?
So this is the mesentery. So what you'll probably see it more like it's going to be flipped
Oh,
up,
yeah.
and you'll see it
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
But you can tell that it's the pancreas because I think
That leafy shit looking.
this is like it. It looks like meat, right? It looks like steak or something.
Chicken.
So you can tell the difference between this and everything that's around it. So you can see that easily.
Just like an elephant.
You're gonna look there. Right?
Wouldn't it be leading more to the small intestine, the pancreas?
What do you mean? So it's here,
Going to the
right? So it
duodenum.
feeds into
The intestine?
the junction between
The
the
duodenum?
stomach and the small intestine.
Right.
Right. So that's here. That's happening.
Okay.
'Cause here's
Wait,
the
what feeds
stomach,
into
the pancreas.
That is so
And that's the spleen? No. What is that? Is
Yeah.
it? Okay. All right. Okay.
And so the liver's here, right?
Liver, yeah.
And so these are all meeting around the same part here to feed into the
Is that the Highland? Where's the Highland on here? No, that's for the kidneys.
the hilum is.
Yeah, kidneys.
I think that a hilum can be used for many things. It's like a junction where a lot of things enter.
Go into or out?
But yeah, so everything's meeting here. So just don't lose track of how these things wind and curve around and go, oh, well, this is not exactly where I thought it would be in this cat, so that must not be it. Try to know the texture of what things look like, you know? Okay?